Namaste children, welcome to today's class. In the previous class we discussed about finding the value of an algebraic expression, and today also we continue the topic of finding the value of an algebraic expression. Exercise number 12.3, sixth bit. In the previous questions we found that algebraic expressions already they are in the simplified form, but here if you see the sixth bit, simplify the expressions and find the values if x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 2, find the values of these expressions. Find the values of these expressions when x is equals to 2. If you observe these expressions, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5, it is not, this expression is not in the simplified form. So first we have to simplify, then we have to find the value of the expression. So we studied how to simplify them in the previous exercise. So here the first question, x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. That is x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. X minus 5 is multiplied by 4. So multiply the arithmetic signs, plus into plus plus. Now 4 into x it is 4x, plus into minus minus, 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. Now regroup the terms, like terms at one place and simplify. X and 4x both are like terms, x plus 4x, then plus 7 minus 20. So now simplify x plus 4x, add these two like terms, x plus 4x is 1x plus 4x, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5x plus 7 minus 20, we get minus 13. Now 5x minus 13 is the simplified form of x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Now we have to find its value. Now x is equals to is given, x is equals to 2. Find its value at x is equals to 2. 5x minus 13. That is 5x means 5 into x. Now 5 into x is equals to 2 minus 13. 5 into 2 it is 5 2s are 10 minus 13. Simplify 10 minus 13 is, we get what we get? Minus 3. So like this, in these two steps are there. First we have to simplify the expression, then we have to find the value of that expression. Now see the second bit here we have 3 into whole x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. That is 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Multiply with 3. 3 into x it is 3x plus 3 into 2 it is 6. Plus into plus plus 3 into x it is 3x. Again plus into plus it is plus 3 into 2 it is 6. Plus 5x minus 7. Now bring the like terms, that is regroup the terms. 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 7. Now 3x plus 5x is, it is 8x plus 6 minus 7. We get on simplification minus 1. Now 8x minus 1 is the simplified form of 3 into whole x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Now find its value. Now here it is given x is equals to 2. Therefore 8x minus 1 is equals to 8x means 8 into x, that is 8 into 2 minus 1. 8 2s are 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. So like this, first we will simplify the algebraic expression, then we will find its value by substituting the value of the variable in the place of the variable, and on simplification we get its value. Now seventh question, simplify these expressions and find their values if x is equals to 3 and a is equals to minus 1, b is equals to minus 2. So what are the variables? Here we have x and whose value is 3, a and its value is minus 1, b its value is minus 2. Now here the first expression is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So if you observe this expression, it is not in the simplified form. First you simplify the expression. So regroup the terms, write the like terms. 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. So 3x minus x, it is 2x minus 5 plus 9, or 9 minus 5 is 4 plus 4. 2x plus 4 is the simplified form of 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Now find its value. Here in this we have only one variable, x is there. So we know x is equals to what? Now x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. Therefore 2x plus 4 is equals to 2x means 2 into x, that is 2 into 3 plus 4, which is 2 into 3. Multiply first, multiplication. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4, which is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now see the third bit here we have. In this the 4 terms are there. 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Simplify this by regrouping the like terms at place. 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1, that is equals to 3a minus 8a. 3 minus 8 we get minus 5 minus 5a plus 5 plus 1 is 6. Now a is equals to minus 1. Here we have only one variable, that is a. Substitute its value in the place of a as minus 1. If a is equals to minus 1, then minus 5a plus 6 is equals to minus 5 into a is minus 1 plus 6, that is equals to minus into minus plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Therefore, the value of 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1 is 11, and a is equals to minus 1. Now, see the fifth bit here we have. This is 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Now 2a and plus a both are like terms. Write them at one place. 2a plus a minus 2b, there is no like term, another term with variable b. Now minus 4 and minus 5. Simplify now. 2a plus a is 3a. A means is 1a. 2 plus 1 is 3a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5. Both are of same sign. Add the numbers and keep this common sign, that is minus. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3a minus 2b minus 9 is the simplified form. Now here two variables are there, a and b. So what are the values of a? A is minus 1 and b is minus 2. Now substitute in that and simplify, we get its value. 3a means 3 into a, that is 3 into minus 1. Minus 2b, it means minus 2 into b. b is minus 2 minus 9. Now plus into minus, minus 3 into 1, it is 3. Minus into minus, plus 2 into 2, it is 4 minus 9. Now minus 3 minus 9, both are negative integers. Add them, minus 3 and minus 9, how much we get? Yes, it is minus 12 plus 4. Now on simplifying minus 12 and plus 4, what we get? Yes, it is minus 8. So the value of this expression is minus 8 when a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to minus 2. Now see the 8th bit. If z is equals to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. So here one variable is there, that is z is given. Z is equals to 10. Then find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. First you simplify this, then you substitute the values in the expression. Yes, or z cube, you can write z cube minus into plus, it is minus 3 into z 10. Z cube means it is 10 cube minus 3 into Z, that is 3 into 10 plus 13. Now simplify 10 cube. It is 10 cube means 10 into 10. How much? 1000. How much it is? 1000 rougher. So 1000 minus, that is minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 10, 30 plus 30 plus 30 minus 30. Both are cancelled and on simplification we get 0. And therefore it is 1000 minus 0, which is 1000. So 1000 is the value of Z cube minus 3 into Z minus 10 when Z is equals to 10. Now see here, the ninth bit here we have. What should be the value of A if the value of 2x square plus x minus A is equals to 5 when x is equal to 0. So here an expression is given. Given expression. What is that given expression? Given expression is, it is 2x square plus x minus A. What we have to find here? The value of A we have to find. When we can find its value? If we know the value of this whole expression and it is given, it is equals to how much? 5. The value of this expression is equals to how much? It is 5. So therefore 2x square plus x minus A is equals to 5. It is given, and also it is given x is equal to 0. When we know the value of x, then we can find A value. So here it is given x is equals to 0. Hence substitute x as 0 in the given expression. Therefore we get 2x square means 2 into x square, that is 2 into 0 square plus x is equal to 0 plus 0 minus A is equals to 5. Now 2 into 0 square, that is 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus A is equals to 5. 0 minus A is equals to minus A, that is equals to 5. You are asked to find value of A. Here it is minus A. Minus A in the sense minus 1A. Minus 1A. So minus 1A transpose minus 1 to RHS. Here minus 1A means minus 1 into A. Therefore it is multiplying. When we transpose to RHS, it divides. That is 5 divided by minus 1. That is equals to minus 5. So when we divide 5 with minus 1, the result is minus 5. Clear, children? Now, question number 10. Simplify the expression and find its value when A is equals to 5 and B is equals to minus 3. Here two variables are there, A whose value is 5 and B is minus 3. Now the expression is 2 into whole A square plus AB plus 3 minus AB. So in this expression we have two variables are there, A and B. So what is the given expression? Given expression is 2 into whole A square plus AB plus 3 minus AB. So what is our question? Simplify and find the value. First to simplify, 2 into whole A square plus AB means 2 into A square is 2A square plus into plus is plus 2 into AB is 2AB plus 3 minus AB. Now arrange the like terms. If you find any like terms, you write the like terms at one place. 2A square plus 2AB and minus AB, both are like terms, plus 3. Now simplify this. 2A square plus 2AB minus AB is plus AB plus 3 plus AB plus 3. Now this is a simplified form and you have to find its value when A is equals to 5 and B is equals to minus 3. If A is equals to 5 and B is equals to minus 3, then the value of 2a square plus ab plus 3 is, that is 2a square is 2 into a square, that is 2 into a is equals to 5, a square means 5 square plus ab, a is 5 into b is minus 3 plus 3. Now simplify this. 2 into 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5, it is 25. That is 2 into 25. Now plus into minus. Minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15 and plus 3. Now simplify this with 2 into 25. 25 2s are, it is 50 minus 15 plus 3. Now add the positive integers. 50 plus 3 is 53 minus 15. So subtract 15 from 53. How much you get? 38. Therefore, the value of 2a into whole a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab is 38 when a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. So like this, we will find the values of the expressions when we know the values of the variables and on substituting those values in the place of variables, and on simplification we get the values of the variables. This concept will be used even in the geometry, especially in the mensuration, finding the areas, volumes and perimeters of the 3D shapes or 2D shapes or 3D shapes. There we use this concept. Is it clear, children?